Okay, these are the parts to assemble a semi-auto M11 9, N-I-N-E, and this is fire control only. So what we're going to start with is the sear plate. You want to put that all the way up in the top corner so that it'll clear the feed ramp, then slide it forward. Put your bolt carrier support or spacer in the back, put your spring on your sear plate and slide that to the rear. This is your transfer bar, and it's rounded on the bottom side. So you want to slide that in. Now, I set the gun backwards, slide everything to the rear, and install the trigger, and that holds everything basically in position. Now, take your retainer, set that down in on the right-hand side. You want your trigger pin, and there's two different styles. The late style is the same size pin. The early style has a smaller section on the right-hand side. This is late model. So get it started through your trigger. Make sure it goes under your spring. You'll usually have to take some pressure off the trigger, slide that in. Now grab the front of your retainer, lift up, and install your safety. So you can install that all the way through. The retainer locks it. You can check your work. When the safe is on, the trigger can't be pulled. When the safe is off, the trigger drops. The next thing you need is your hammer. You want to slide the springs down inside your sear plate, slide it to the rear, install your hammer pin, make sure that it goes all the way through, and then you have this C-clip that locks this in place. So once you remove that, you can take out your sear pin, pull your hammer out, lift up on your retainer, pull out your safety, drop the retainer down, pull your trigger pin out, remove your retainer, pull some slight pressure to the rear of your sear plate, pull your trigger out, remove your transfer bar, slide your sear plate to the front so you can remove the spring and your bolt carrier support, pull the sear plate all the way to the rear at the top and lift it out of the gun. Completed. I hope you found this helpful, and please like and subscribe.